Clean the taper and contact surface of the replaceable milling head using compressed air and then with a cloth. The taper and contact surface of the replaceable head holder must also be cleaned using compressed air and a cloth. Hand tighten the replaceable milling head clockwise into the replaceable head holder. Insert the replaceable head holder into an adjustment tool or mounting system and tighten it in the device. Place the torque wrench on the contact surface of the replaceable milling head so it is as horizontal as possible, ensuring the sides of the wrench do not tilt against it. Now tighten it using the torque wrench, the corresponding combination wrench and the specified tightening torque. See Tightening Torques table. Release and remove the replaceable head holder. The gap between the replaceable milling head and replaceable head holder is closed, producing a joint that is both force and form fit. The replaceable milling head is now ready for operation.